Hello everybody and welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up a car that I've been meaning to open up for a little bit. I've had this for a few months in the package. This is the Hot Wheels Garage 2010. The 2010 Ford Mustang GT. And this has a nice gloss black color with amazing yellow designs. This has some great colors on this. And for a while, I didn't want to open it, but now it's just too nice to keep in the package. Plus, package is a little, actually, the glue's starting to peel off there. And there's a soft corner there, so I figured, why not open this up and put it in my loose collection. I do have another color of it, but it's all beat up, and I'm going to place that right next to it. This is number 1 of 10 of the Hot Wheels Garage 2010 series. The card is basically mint except for that soft corner and the bubble peeling off. You can see that there. Born 2009, birthplace Dearborn, Michigan, United States. Ford Motor Company with grill-mounted driving lights, rear spoiler, power dome hood, and a 4.6-liter V8 engine. This coupe was made to bring muscle back to the streets. Here's some other cars or series you can get. 09 copyright, and it is finally time to get this out of the package. And nice easy open right there. That came clean off, and this thing is gorgeous. 2010 Ford Mustang GT, and there it is in all of its glory. Good spinning wheels on this thing. Wow, I love the colors on this. I am definitely glad I got this open. I love the black and yellow. This is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, so this has a black plastic base, as you see, and yellow rim, otherwise black, Phil Roman 5-spoke wheels. And look at this triple stripes on the top, and it forms a little, it forms like a arch there, and then it comes right back around. Triple yellow striping, and a yellow interior, which is really cool. I'm not sure if there's any variations on this car. Alright, but it says GT and a white stripe at the bottom there. There's the front of the car. No painted details except for the lights, those little orange lights there. And I'll give you a nice look at this car. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, gloss black. Gotta love it. And there's the back there, fully painted in the back with those classic Mustang taillights and the gas cap or logo on the back. I believe it's also the gas cap because the gas cap isn't anywhere to be seen. So they put the gas cap right there. My dad is a Mustang, so he has it on the gas cap as well. And this thing is beautiful. Thank you for tuning in and watching this video. I'm definitely glad I got this open. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Forgot to say number 69 of 240 for 2010. Please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.